Hello folks, I'm back again with my new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install a custom ROM on nearly any Android devices. Well, the process is same for every Android, which means the process which I'm going to show you with this, you can install any type of custom ROM on any type of Android devices. Before we begin, let me tell you for the sake of disclaimer that I am not responsible for brick devices or any other harm you do to your device, so later on you cannot blame me. Okay, now today we will be experimenting on a Samsung Galaxy Grand Duos, which is now operated on Jelly Bean. Samsung was not giving any further updates, so I decided to update it to Marshmallow myself. Okay, and let's begin. Here I have a Samsung Galaxy. First we'll have to get it into recovery mode, where it will get into recovery mode by pressing 3 buttons simultaneously: the volume up button, the home button, and the power button. Press these 3 buttons simultaneously. Once the Samsung logo appears, leave the power button and then leave these 2 buttons as well. Gradually your device will get into recovery mode. It's a custom recovery TeamVent TWRP which I have installed on my device. Slide to confirm. Now first wipe. Select the wipe option and go to advanced. Now select Dalvik Cache, system boot, leave boot, internal data, and slide to confirm. It will delete every data on your device, even the ROM and the recovery. Now go back and select the install option. Now I have downloaded a Cyanogen Marshmallow, which I have kept it in my SD card. Select the zip file, check these 2 boxes, and again slide to confirm. Well, now just sit back and relax. Your device will do everything for you and will boot up into Marshmallow. Yes, one thing, that your device's original recovery will not be able to flash a custom ROM on your device, so you will have to install a custom recovery. I have installed a TWRP recovery. You can download it from Play Store, the TWRP manager, and then install a custom recovery. And the Cyanogen mod which I have downloaded, it's from XDA developers. You can visit the website and download the Cyanogen mod for your device, and the gaps from there as well. The process for flashing the gaps is same, so through this process you can install the gaps as well. This is a bit longer process. Well, it's done. Now your device will boot up. The custom ROM has been installed on your device successfully. you have won 50% of the bot battle, and look here, it is written rebooting in 5 seconds. The Samsung logo. After the Samsung logo, this Cyanogen mod logo will appear. It's a longer process. You will have to work with patience. One wrong step and you have a brick device. If you don't know how to install a custom recovery on your Android, see my next video. Here it is written Android is starting. It will synchronize all the apps to your device. I know my camera is not too good, collecting money to buy a new one. It's a better view now. Now you can customize your device as you like. We have installed the marshmallow on our device and seems like it's working pretty well. There are many myths outside that after installing custom ROM your device slow down. It's all fake, don't believe those, just do what you want. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you, have a nice day, and hope you are inspired by this video to install a marshmallow on your device too. Thank you.